Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Fixed versus variable is the whole game here, and this one is quick. Spot the input that does not change when boot output changes. In the short run, at least one input is fixed, meaning the firm can't easily change it as production rises or falls, while variable inputs move with the number of boots made. Industrial sewing machines fit that fixed input idea because they are capital equipment, and a boot firm usually cannot quickly add or remove machines just because it makes more pairs today. By contrast, leather, thread, labor, and electricity all rise or fall with output, so the best fixed input example is industrial sewing machines, option A. Well done, option A. Scan now. Trap, rushing past fixed versus variable. Rule, trust the given short-run idea and check each choice against it.